Along with the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro, the company has also launched a Porsche designed Huawei Mate RS that comfortably sits as a synonym with the term luxury. Huawei has a tradition of bringing the Porsche design variant for every flagship it has launched. The Huawei Leica partnership was probably the best thing to happen to the brand and the smartest move Huawei has done lately. The Mate RS comes with a Leica triple camera which features a 40 megapixel RGB sensor with f1.8 aperture, a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor with f1.6 aperture, and an 8 megapixel sensor with the telephoto lens with the f2.4 aperture. The front side is taken care of 24 megapixel selfie shooter with the artificial intelligence beautification and a 3D portrait lighting feature. The Huawei Mate RS is the world's first device to come with a dual fingerprint scanner, one on the back and one embedded under the 6-inch OLED screen. This is a new in-screen fingerprint sensor from Goodix rather than the Synaptics one seen earlier this year. Moreover, the Mate RS has a dual SLS speaker with the Dolby Atmos technology. The Porsche-designed Huawei Mate RS has a 6-inch curved OLED 2K 18:9 aspect ratio display with a 6 GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery. Huawei is also equipping this device with a microcapsule PCM, which is an aerospace cooling technology to keep the phone cool, and this is the first smartphone to offer it. Huawei Mate RS is basically an updated Mate style design device but with the P20 Pro internals plus a bit more. The Mate RS is powered by octa-core Kirin 970 10nm chipset with i7 core processor, Mali G72, MP12 GPU and NPU under the hood. This device is shipped with Android 8.1 Oreo on top of EMUI 8.1 out of the box. It has an IP67 rating and supports 960 FPS super slow motion as well. The Mate RS is powered by a 4000 mAh battery and also supports a 10-watt wireless charging, making it the first Huawei high-end device to support wireless charging. With this mobile, Huawei has surely done a lot of work in this direction. The €2095 model comes equipped with a 512GB of onboard storage, the most we have ever seen in the smartphone, while the €1695 model has a 256GB version on board. The Huawei Mate RS will go on sale starting from April 12th in various countries. This is it guys for the first impression. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.